Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of your civics section. You can even say economics because this is a part of economics. The name of the chapter is Economic Problems and Challenges, and here we are going to study two big problems of India, that is poverty and unemployment. Okay, so we'll start with the chapter. Yes. Indian economy experienced many serious and complex economics and social problems such as population growth, price rise, black money, poverty, unemployment, starvation, corruption, terrorism, etc. Among which economic problems like poverty, unemployment, price rise, population increase are major problems. Though it is written over here that these are the major problems, but all these are the major problems of India. You can say starvation, not everywhere, because every Indian is not starved. Okay, but terrorism is one of the biggest problem of India. Then black money, वो भी इंडिया की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. Then price rise. Yes, price rise is there each and every day, or you can say every year there is price rise in each and everything. But the main economic problem, यही सब चीज़ें relate किसको करती है? All of this thing relate to the main problem of India, that is population increase. We are facing all the problems because the main root cause is this. इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है. ओके, इसकी वजह से देर इज़ पॉवर्टी, देर इज़ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, देर इज़ प्राइस राइज. सो everything is related to this. Now, what is poverty? A large number of people are deprived of satisfying their basic and essential requirement of the life, such as food, clothes, shelter, education, and health services. Such a situation is known as comprehensive poverty, and people living in such a condition in society are called poor. See now, poor, next you will study absolute poor and relative poor. Poor की definition भी अलग अलग होते हैं. But in short, गरीब कौन है? Who is poor? A person who don't get basic necessities, even though he wish, पर उसको मिलता नहीं है. Then you can say that the person is poor. Okay, उसको भूख लगी है बट खाने को नहीं मिलता, या वो खाने को नहीं मिलता जो उसको चाहिए. Then you can say that that person is poor. Next comes people living below poverty line, BPL. ओके, दैट इज़ नॉट अ टीवी. पहले BPL नाम का एक टीवी भी आता था, अब नहीं है. बट हियर इट इज़ बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन. There is one line you cannot say below poverty line, if at all. You all of you know it's a part of joke, but do not take it that below poverty line मतलब एक लाइन है जिसके नीचे हम लटक रहे हैं. No, it is not so. It is a describe, you can say, ratio जहाँ पे पॉवर्टी काउंट होती है. ओके, अ पर्सन हु इज़ नॉट गेटिंग दैट पॉइंट, हु इज़ नॉट एबल टू अचीव दैट पॉइंट विल बी टर्म्ड एज बिलो पुअर. ओके, ये पॉवर्टी की लाइन से बहुत पीछे है. नाउ, पॉवर्टी इज़ अ क्वालिटेटिव concept. In India, poverty is viewed as lowest level of life. Common feature of people living below poverty line are as follows. Which are the common features? Of course, a person who do not get 2 meals a day. People suffer from problem of inability of dwelling place. Yeah, there are number of people who live on footpath. ठीक है, खाने को तो फिर भी मिल जाता है, मांग के भी खाने को मिल जाता है, बट रहने के लिए जगह नहीं है. ओके, फुटपाथ पे रहना पड़ता है. दे आर पुअर, है ना. भावनगर में भी है. यू विल से एवरीवेयर, मतलब जहाँ पर भी, यहाँ दैट जवाहर मैदान, then you can see slums over that ring road also. There are number of सिर्फ प्लास्टिक के हट बनाए हुए होते हैं, एंड देयर दे लिव. चूल्हा जलाते, खाने को तो मिल जाता है बट रहने के लिए नो, दैट इज़ नो प्लेस. They are forced to live in a shabby and slum area. Yes, no one likes to live in a slum area, do we? None of us. Okay, none among us like to live over there, but it is their you can say their conditions are such that they have to live over there. Their income is less than the deprived expected income. Yes, expected income से उनकी income less होती है. Their lifespan is less than national average life expectancy. Obviously, though we don't know when about the death and all these things much, but If at all they fall sick, they don't have money, so their life expectancy will obviously less than the national average life expectancy. Generally, they are illiterate. This is very true. They are illiterate. They never go to school, they don't know anything, they just believe in begging, so they are illiterate. Very often, they suffer from various diseases due to lack of nutritious food. Yes, lack of nutritious food, they do not get healthy food. मांग के खाते हैं, कभी कभार फूड अच्छा भी ना हो सके, so this will affect their health. Children who have taken up responsibility of looking after the family at the age when they are supposed to study, yes, when they are supposed to study, they have the responsibility, or you can say habit of looking after the family. They just go on begging. Recently if you have seen, एक घड़ा लेके सब जगह छोटे छोटे बच्चे रहते रहे, तुमने गाड़ी साफ़ करी तो बिकॉज ऐसे भीख नहीं मांगते, तो किसी को भी बोलेंगे तो कोई भी पैसे दे देता है. बहुत छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, बहुत छोटे. आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट भावनगर. ओके, सो what is this? And they are very small kids who needs to study right now, बट उनको पढ़ाई नहीं करने को मिलती, पढ़ाई नहीं करते, एंड एट लास्ट क्या करेंगे वो? या तो भीख मांगेंगे, यही सब काम करेंगे. डेथ रेट इज हाई ड्यू टू माल न्यूट्रिशन. येस, डेथ रेट इन इंडिया इज़ हाई ड्यू टू माल न्यूट्रिशन. माल न्यूट्रिशन का मतलब होता है न्यूट्रिशियस फूड नहीं मिलना. सो नेक्स्ट कम्स efforts made by government to improve living standard of people living below poverty line. See now, every government or every country always try that they can provide the much to the citizen of their country. So what are the efforts taken by our government? Income of people living below poverty line is very less in the cities as well as in villages. Such families are called Antyodaya family or family living below poverty line, that is BPL family. After finding out such families, government has started public distribution system on the basis of ration card. ओके, हम सबका नाम, आपके पास भी राशन कार्ड तो होगा. एवरी फैमिली हैज़ राशन कार्ड. इट इज़ डिफरेंट थिंग दैट हम वहाँ से कुछ परचेज करने नहीं चाहते बिकॉज वी डोंट नीड इट. राशन की दुकान होती है जहाँ पे केरोसिन भी मिलता है, जहाँ पे गेहूँ भी मिलते हैं. यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग ओवर दैट बट एट लो प्राइस. एक बुकलेट आती है जिसमें फैमिली मेम्बर्स के सबके नाम होते हैं राशन कार्ड पे. ओके, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड, देख लेना घर पे होगा राशन कार्ड कैसा होता है. दिस शॉप आर कॉल्ड फेयर प्राइस शॉप्स. एवरी मंथ दे फुलफिल द रिक्वायरमेंट लाइक राइस, wheat, sugar, oil, salt and kerosene etc. of such families. It has tried to raise their living standard. Yes, see now, it has tried to raise their living standards. The government by their own has done many efforts. You cannot say always, we cannot blame government for everything, each and everything. Okay, it is we Indians, or you can say every country, whatever it is suffering because of the people. If at all it is good, it is because of the citizen of that country. If at all it is bad, it is because of the citizen of that country. Okay, government do plays a role, but not 100%. Now यू ऑल नो दैट ये फेयर प्राइस शॉप कितना करप्शन यहाँ पे चलता है. ओके, वो नाइक फिल्म मूवी देखी ना अनिल कपूर की, वो जो टीन होता है उसमें भी खड्डा कर देते हैं. ओके, सो ऐसा नहीं कि गवर्नमेंट नहीं करती, गवर्नमेंट करती है, बट जितना उन गरीबों को मिलना चाहिए उतना मिलता है नहीं. देन कम्स concept of poverty was first provided by director of WHO. For calculating poverty line, certain factors are considered which include expenditure on food, clothing, accommodation, education, health, clean drinking water, electricity, sanitation facilities, transportation facilities and income, as well as the intake of calories. On the basis of this factor, a particular standard of living is fixed, which is known as poverty line. Yes, now see, अगर हम वैसे पॉवर्टी काउंट करें देन इंडिया विल ऑब्वियसली पुअर देन ऑल ऑफ द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज. See now, because you know why I said so, because see now where it was just clean drinking water, sanitation facility. See now, clean drinking water, you can say sanitation facilities, transportation facilities. Okay, so these all are much more in European or you can say any rich country. ओके, तो फिर उस हिसाब से कंसेप्ट ऑफ पॉवर्टी लाइन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम, लोकेशन, सर्कमस्टेंसेस. सी ये लाइन क्यों दी है? बिकॉज लोकेशन जो हमारे यहाँ पे गरीबी की रेखा हो, ज़रूरी नहीं कि दूसरे कंट्री में वही गरीबी की रेखा हो। उनके लिए वहाँ पे अगर हर एक फैमिली अर्न अ करोर ऑफ रुपीज़, देन फॉर देम अ पर्सन अर्निंग 10 lakh विल बी मच पुअर. But if that person comes in India and live over here, then a person earning 10 lakh a year is much more for him. Okay, so the concept of poverty line changes according to time, location and circumstances. Next comes meaning of poverty. There are two ways of knowing the number of people living below poverty line. First is what on the basis of expenditure behind various commodities or services by a family. Second, on the basis of total income of the family, that is family means minimum 5 members. यहाँ पे फैमिली को 5 मेंबर की फैमिली कंसिडर करने की है. ओके, सो दो वेज से हम पॉवर्टी काउंट कर सकते हैं. एक तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर बिहाइंड वेरियस कमोडिटीज़. सी ना, वेरियस कमोडिटीज़ के पीछे हम लोग कितना एक्सपेंडिचर करते हैं. वी ऑल आर मिडिल क्लास, लोअर मिडिल क्लास पीपल. ओके, डोंट डू कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट going to, not you people, but if at all grown ups going to, you can say, multiplexes, going to bar, going to out of country, is it possible for us? No, ये हमारे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर बिहाइंड वेरियस कमोडिटीज़, जो हम खर्च कर सकते फैमिली के लिए, वो किस हमारे से भी गरीब होते कई लोग. मतलब मान लो कि जो फुटपाथ पे रहते हो, वो लोग इतना खर्च नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते. ओके, सेकेंड, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टोटल इनकम ऑफ द फैमिली. फैमिली की टोटल इनकम क्या है. ओके, नाउ इफ अ फैमिली इज अर्निंग 10,000 a month and the next family is earning 1 lakh or 1,50,000 a month, obviously they will be much rich compared to this 10,000 person. Next comes absolute poverty and relative poverty. This is was the thing which I was telling. What is absolute poor? Those persons of the society who are not able to purchase the basic necessity of life like food, grains, pulses, milk, vegetables at the lowest market rate are said to be absolute poor. See now, उनको ख़रीदना है पर उनके पास पैसे नहीं है, बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ परचेज करने के लिए भी पैसे नहीं है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एब्सोल्यूट पुअर. वह रिलेटिव पुअर मतलब दो इंसानों की कंपैरिजन होती है, एंड वन विल बी रिलेटिवली पुअर देन टू नेक्स्ट. So in the world I am telling, all person is relative poor. Okay, every person in the world is relative poor. If we talk about India, then all Indian citizen except that Mukesh Ambani and his family will be relative poor to him, because he is the fourth Asian rich person in the world. So obviously he will be the first Indian, the most Indian rich person in India. अब उससे तो गरीब पूरी दुनिया है. अगर हम खुद को उसके साथ कंपेयर करें तो हम भी गरीब हो गए. अगर सलमान खान मान लो या शाहरुख खान मान लो, वो अपनी मंथली इनकम को मुकेश अंबानी की इनकम से कंपेयर करेगा तो वो भी मुकेश अंबानी से तो गरीब ही होगा. सो रिलेटिव पुअर इज एवरी पर्सन कम व्हेन कंपेयर्ड विद अदर. ओके, so what is relative poor? A society has different income groups. Among them, some groups have low income in comparison to other. Such a group is considered as relative poor. See, यहाँ पे group की बात करें, I was talking about individual. It means the same. This concept is more prevalent in the developed countries. A rupees 10,000, B 20, and C 30,000. Here income of 3 person is different. As the income of A is less than B, it is relative poor. Okay, a person A is considered to be poor. In the same way, A and B is relative poor in relation to C. मतलब ये दोनों अगर C के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे तो उससे भी गरीब है. Okay, so every person or every society or every group is comparatively, you can say, relative poor when compared with others. Yes, now we'll talk about poverty in India. And see, this is the data of 2011-12. बहुत पुराना data है. In order to decide poverty line in 2011-12, Planning Commission of India declared per capita expenditure of rural area, that is 816, which means 4,080 rupees per family expenditure, and for urban area, per capita expenditure was fixed to rupees 1,000 per person at least. See now, इसका family 816 rupees, which means 4,080 rupees per family expenditure दिया. It is not an individual expenditure, it is a family expenditure. Okay, 5 लोगों की family के लिए 4,080 rupees is enough for a month. Is it? No, it is not at all. Okay, इतने पैसे में कोई क्या कर सकता है? कुछ नहीं कर सकता. एंड यहाँ पे तो एनुअल भी नहीं लिखा है. अगर ये एनुअल इनकम के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं देन थिंक अबाउट कि कितना कम रेट है. This means at least this much per capita income should be there to reach out expenditure. Okay, okay, fine. Now see what they are telling. This means that at least this much per capita income. पर कैपिटा इनकम मतलब टोटल, ये एक इंडिविजुअल की इनकम बोली है. सो कंपेयर योर सेल्फ टू दिस. इज़ 4080 रुपीज़ इनफ फॉर यू फॉर ईयर. एक साल में अगर आपके पेरेंट, मान लो यू आर हैंडलिंग योर होल लाइफ, if at all your father gives you 4080 rupees and he tells you that this is enough for the whole year, is it possible? No, it is not at all. Okay, so on the basis of new criteria, number of the poor has reduced to 27 crore in 2011 and the rate of poverty is reduced to 21.9. Okay, in 2010 ratio poverty is related in relation to the population of India was 29.8. so poverty इंडिया में कम हो रही है, ये डेटा ऐसा बताता है. Thus, approximately 35.47 crore people are living in poverty. See now, if at all we consider the population of India, ये तब लिखा गया था जब इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन थी मान लो 120 और 122 करोड़. तब के टाइम में अगर 35% लोग आर लिविंग बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन, मतलब इंडिया की proportion of poverty is very high. Okay. World Bank has decided per capita income as $1.90 in 2012 as per the rate of 2008, which is considered as a scale of poverty line. Okay, ये 2008 का डेटा है, not right now. 2012 में इतना इनकम को अगर इतनी भी ना हो then you will be considered poor. According to one report, the World Bank India's total population is approximately 1 to 1 crore in 2010. See, I told you it is 1 to 1 crore in 2010, and in 2020 it is nearly 135 crore. Okay, ये तो ऑफिशियल डेटा है, अनऑफिशियल तो 170 137 तक गिन लेना. सो विद इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 10 years हमारी पॉपुलेशन 17 करोड़ या 15 करोड़ ज़्यादा हो गई है, क्योंकि सेंसस हर 10 साल बाद होता है. सो इट इज़ ग्रोइंग वेरी वेरी फास्ट, वेरी फास्ट. Out of which 32.7% people are living below poverty line, which makes about 45.6 crore. Oh my god, a huge data. Now under the UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program, the ratio of poverty in India in 2012 was 21.92. It means that out of the total poor, 26.93 crore, 21.65 people are in rural areas and 5.28 crore people are in urban areas. Okay, मतलब इतने में से टोटल इंडिया के पॉपुलेशन में दीज आर पुअर, ये है गांव के पुअर और ये है शहर के पुअर. छत्तीसगढ़ 36.93 is the poorest state of India. Okay, this is the most poorest state of India. Where is Chhattisgarh? Chhattisgarh is a neighboring state of MP. MP में से अलग हुआ है. Okay, in 2002 I think so. 2002 में 3 स्टेट अलग हुए थे, दैट वाज छत्तीसगढ़, उत्तराखंड एंड झारखंड. ओके, while Goa 5.09 has the lowest poverty rate. In Gujarat, the proportion of poverty is 16.63, which is not less at all. Chhattisgarh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Orissa, etc. have more than 30% proportion of poverty in India. ये बहुत गरीब स्टेट कहे जाते हैं. Next comes, see, this is the current ratio of poverty. The current poverty line is 1059 Indian rupees per month in rural areas and 1286 Indian rupees per month in urban areas. मतलब 1286 rupees per month in urban area और 1059 in rural area. इतने पैसे हैं, then you are not poor. Okay. India's nationwide average poverty line differs from each state poverty line. For example, in 2011-12, Puducherry has its highest poverty line of 1300 a month in rural and 1309 a month in urban area, while Odisha has the lowest poverty line to 695 फॉर रूरल एंड 861 फॉर अर्बन. ठीक है, अब ये स्टेट वाइज भी डिफ़र करता है. कोई स्टेट रिच होते हैं, कोई पुअर होते हैं, तो वो उससे भी डिफ़र करता रहता है. कोई स्टेट के लिए ये पॉवर्टी लाइन है मार्जिन और किसी और स्टेट के लिए मार्जिन अलग है. ओके, सो वी आर स्टॉपिंग इट ओवर हियर. that today we have learnt about one part of poverty, definition of poverty, and types of poverty. Okay, we are stopping it over here. Thank you.